you are having this problem right here where it's that enable flex queue to start this game as a duo. I know how hard it is and I know how to fix it super easy and super simply. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you are on the latest update. So go on your app store or your Play Store if you're on Android or an iPhone. Then once you do that, make sure you do search up Dunk City Destiny and make sure you're on the latest update. If you're not, make sure you click on this update option right here. Then once you do that, just click on this open option right here. Just go back to the game. Now from here, what you have to do is super simple. You're gonna have to click on this option right here where it's that classic 3v3. Now under it, it should say this option right here where it's that flex queue. So just click on that little option and click on enable it. Click on confirm right here. And as you guys can see, now you do have flex queue on, as you guys can see under right there. So just click on select. So now if I do want to start the game as of right now, as you guys can see, my game is going to start. So if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.